That shit crazy though. Tired. It is snatching nigga shit. Creed.
Dev on this shit hard.
Say we. Don't get no fuck about what he said. Sit a bag on top of his head. If you want it, take it in. This for my brothers in the pen. So bring the lows, get them in. All we want is this man. They can't walk and sit again. I got a brother.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Alpha Z34 and welcome to another banger. Today we got a ride along video. It's been long anticipated. Been talking about it for a little minute. It's just she's always busy. I'm always busy. I'm a business owner. She's a business owner. Yeah, man, it's gonna be pretty exciting. I haven't did one of these in a while, so I am super excited to do another one. Hopefully we get a good reaction out of her, man. I know she's from New York. She's from New York, you feel me? So shout out to my New York people. But you're probably gonna hear the accent, the New York accent or whatever. But at the same time, man, she's a Hellcat girl. So this is gonna be very interesting. It's gonna be interesting, guys. We're gonna have a Hellcat girl on the channel. So she is used to fast cars because she has a fast car herself. So it's gonna be very interesting to see how she feels, what she thinks, and all the above. So put W in the chat for her. But regardless, man, it's gonna be very interesting, man, and I'm super excited. Man, we're gonna go ahead and get the camera set up, and then once we get the camera set up, go to get the car pulled down, or pull the car down and then get the camera set up. It don't matter, but we gotta get everything ready. So when she get here, we could get going because she's busy, I'm busy. We got things to do. And it's kind of cloudy, so I just want to get in, out, done, and go about our way. And then when she pulls up, I'll be able to record her coming in a Hellcat because it is pretty clean. So yeah, without me talking you guys to death, man, put W in the chat for her. Let's go ahead and get started, and I will pick it up in a minute. Coming here with the Hellcat.
And
That shit is clean. What the fuck? That shit is clean as fuck. And the windows tinted. They definitely think she a YN in this car, for sure.
ain't that right? He ain't lying.
That shit is fire. Nah, that's why her ass always gets pulled over. They definitely think you're a YN in this car. 100% think you're a YN. What's up?
How are you?
How you doing?
Good.
Sorry.
Sorry for your
Nah, you're good, you're good.
getting like 5% all over.
That is crazy. Bro, you're wildin', what? All the way around is crazy. I see you on the side, cool, but the front too? I'm dead. Well, by the way, this is the owner right here, Hellcat lover. So we're gonna have to try to change her mind today. So make her get rid of the Hellcat.
No.
You gonna get rid of the Hellcat?
No.
Nah. Nah, but this is her second Hellcat, guys. So this thing is super clean. But here, open the door for me. Oh, is it? It's not dirty, is it? You good? Okay. So, alright, what we'll do is, I guess, let's park it. We could probably put it behind my trailer. It's pretty far, guys, I ain't gonna lie. That's a clean ass ass Hellcat, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Her shit is clean as fuck. That shit is clean, bro. I don't know. I like that all black.
Yeah.
The all black look crazy, but I guess.
And that's reflective too, so at night.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
What? Okay, well, let's see what you think. I guess get going. I know you got shit to do, so. What's your first, I guess, impressions?
Your car? It looks fast.
Ah, she said that looks fast. It looks fast. Hopefully, it meets her standards. We don't know yet, so we're gonna find out. But, you know what I mean?
Fast?
I think so. I mean, you got a Hellcat, so.
Is it faster than the Helcat?
Huh?
Is it faster than the Helcat?
I've never allowed to a Hellcat. Yet. There's some fast Hellcats, don't get me wrong. I know guys in the comments gonna be like, oh, bro, race me then. But I've never, you guys know, I post my races, I never lost to a Hellcat yet. But there is some fast Hellcats, for sure. Like, I fuck with them. Huh?
I'll beat you.
That, what?
Yeah.
We might have to make that happen, guys. Y'all heard it. She said she'll beat me. But we're gonna see if she keep that same energy after the ride. So, we're gonna see. I don't even think she believed that. I don't think she believed that. But nah, I mean, shit, check it out. Open the door, whatever.
Are you gonna take me for a ride?
Yeah, for sure. Nah, I'm gonna drive in and leave you standing out here. You can't ride in there. Nah, I'm playing. You see him behind the back seat?
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Let's do it. All right, she said, fuck it. She ready to go. Let's get it. Turn this on. Alright guys, so just to prove a point, it's so fucking hot that my GoPro like threw up a temperature thing, so it shut off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have her hold the phone. So she's gonna be holding the phone and talking as long as she's okay with that. But let's get it. Talk your shit. No, why you facing at me? They don't wanna see me. You
You
know,
just
fuck.
talk shit.
I don't got no shit to talk.
What are you talking about?
I'm just trying to make sure your airplane's so fucking.
Yeah, I'm trying to hold on to that.
Maybe they want to see that though.
What? They want to see my implants pull out?
You guys tell her, I don't know.
I don't know. They're pretty tucked in right now, so.
Yeah, them ain't coming out. They tucked in. You feel me? We got that Victoria don't tell nobody problems.
Yeah, I have some Victoria's Secret on, you know.
Uh-oh. See, you gotta start doing that. You got me running off the road and shit. Bro, she got me running off the road. What the fuck? Hey, you gotta chill out. Oh, man. Should we try straight?
Yeah, go straight.
These roads suck, guys.
Yeah,
I'm looking at the camera,
Yeah,
There's literally no fucking straightaway. Like,
I know. And if there is, it's like hills.
yeah, it's fucking annoying, dude. Unless we can, you think interstate bad? It look like traffic flowing pretty
No,
right there.
I think the interstate's terrible right now.
Okay, so don't try that.
I mean, you can try, but coming this way was terrible.
It was?
Yeah.
Because you took, what's this?
I took
85?
Ronald Reagan, and then I put me on 85 for some dumbass reason.
So this 85,
I think
right?
that's 85, yeah.
Okay.
Now we at this stupid ass light.
Guys, you guys don't understand. For the people that don't live in Georgia, she can tell you. She from New York, bro. This shit is hot. Like,
Yeah.
it's hot, bro.
I'm gonna knock my implant out again.
I ain't gonna complain.
But you're gonna crash.
No, I ain't gonna crash. I'm focused. I'm locked in.
Oh my god.
I can't even believe I did that shit on camera, guys. Like, she literally recorded me fucking running out the side of the road. That is crazy work. That ain't never happened to me before. I ain't gonna lie. That is crazy.
Never crashed over an implant?
Man. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna go. Well, I'm talking to them like they can see. So I'm gonna just go down to that next light, and then I'm gonna turn around and we can probably get it coming up.
Okay.
Because this shit ain't getting us nowhere. Stopping no traffic.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh man. But anybody that wanna run her, she said line that shit up. But you have to race for at least 5 bands, no less, right?
Right.
Even if she lose, you still gotta give her 5 bands.
So it's a lose-lose for them, a win-win for me.
There you go.
Right?
I think that's a fucked up situation, huh?
I mean, I could show them the Victoria's Secret, but that's about it. But I don't want you to crash.
I ain't looking, no. Hey, we can't crash at a red light.
What should I do? Should I do it? I'll just show them a little bit of the block. That's about it.
Lord have mercy. The Lord is my shepherd. He know what I want. Excuse me, brother.
See? Hey, we good as long as we had a stoplight. Now, if I was driving, I wouldn't have been able to look, guys. The camera don't do it no justice, I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Where?
I'm gonna be like, bruh.
That's why I keep my Instagram small, because I have so many dumbasses on Instagram.
Nah, for real, like,
Yeah.
it'd be some. I ain't gonna
I have
say
to
it.
make a separate one for
Oh,
my
shit, you got
personal.
two?
Yeah.
Oh, your business?
No, I have another one too, just for my car, but I never use it.
Women, y'all are like cheat codes.
Right.
Go. Alright, I don't see no cops. They still down.
Really? Let's see if a little faster. No? Really?
Why? I do not know. It's not pulling the way it should.
Right. Well, at least I'm not going on fire, so I'm happy.
Huh?
At least I'm not going on fire, so I'm happy.
No. Say it.
Fire.
Bro, I can listen to her talk all day, guys. Like, that shit is. I don't know. I fuck with the accent. It's crazy. I didn't know if it was real. You know, like some people, like,
They pretend.
yeah.
Yeah, no.
Like, I'm not saying, like, I thought you pretended with your accent, but just, like, New York in general. I was like, is that a real.
No, it's real.
Yeah, it's definitely real. Definitely real. How did that feel?
Getting these bitches down. That was good. That was good.
Let them fly. What you mean? Let them fly. Take that seatbelt off. Oh shit! Did we turn here? Or we go straight?
Oh my god.
We gonna find out for you. Why you got your seatbelt on? You scared of my job?
I said you might kill
No,
me.
I ain't got mine on. I gotta go home too.
Because I gotta strap these bitches up.
No, you don't. You gotta let them fly. Make sure ain't no fucking cop hanging around.
I'll just show them an implant.
You think that'll work?
Yeah.
Hey, if it's GSP, I don't know. GSP don't be bullshit.
They're pretty cool with me though.
Man, see, they cool with you. You?
I'm trying to get all the Hellcats on 85.
I'm gonna do one more pull, ready?
That was good.
It's still slow though.
The rest better.
It was a little better, but it's still like where it's supposed to be.
If you knock my implants around, it's good.
Huh?
That means it's fast.
What?
If you knock my implants around, that means it's fast.
Did they really move around though?
If shit's fast, yes.
Like, how do they move around?
Because they're big. Because they'll be popping out of my bra.
Oh, you meant okay. I thought you
Not
meant, like,
popping out of my body.
Yeah,
no.
not out of your body, but like you know how like you have them and they like twist around.
No,
like,
no,
that?
no,
Like,
none of
what?
that. None of that.
Oh,
Out
that's
of my.
crazy. That's what I thought you was talking
No,
about.
hell no.
Look at that slow thing over there. Show that slow thing over there.
Slow shit, slow shit.
Nah, we all slow shit compared to that 3,000 or that damn twin turbo Lambo we was in. She wildin', bro. She's a vibe, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She's definitely a vibe, man. But What do you think? Even though it's disappointing because
It wasn't
we both in Georgia. We gonna figure some shit out, and she gonna actually feel the real power. But I guess this was a sample.
It was good.
It was a sample.
That was good.
That's good.
Yeah. I give you. Shut up.
She capping, but nah. I mean, I don't know. Let's talk.
That was good. I don't want to put you down.
See. Hey, if you heard about to throw hands, bro, we about to throw some hands. Nah, guys, on some real shit though. I mean, it was decent. Like a couple of the pulls we did, it was like 150, 140. One of the pulls we hit like right at 150.
I told you, it's fast.
160. Now it gets to, but it didn't sit back in the seat like it usually do.
Right.
So
You popped my implant out of my bra, so it was fast.
why guys tell her to stop lying. Tell her pop their implant out. They out regardless. You feel me?
No, I mean out. It came out of my bra.
Oh, okay. Oh, my bad. You guys couldn't see that. I'm sorry, guys. Y'all gonna be mad at me, but you know what I'm saying? Nah, she don't want her business out there like that either. So even though she a vibe, she giving content, but she gotta keep it PG,
Yeah.
Keep it PG. Okay. But beyond, oh wait, what are you about to say?
That was good. That was good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next time we'll have to spray the nitrous, and maybe have to get that race in since you're talking shit.
Okay.
So I'll give you like two. I'll give you 2 cars.
Give me 4.
God damn, how fast? Okay, 4, but how fast we trying to go?
We gotta go fast. I'm gonna beat you. I'll tell you.
Okay, if you don't beat, we gotta make a fun deal. She don't go out that much. I don't go out that much. So if I win, we'll start out with you, ladies first. If you win, what you get?
I'll leave it up to you.
Okay. We'll figure something out, and then if I win, we'll figure something out. All right, guys, that'll probably be the end of this video. I don't want to hold it like too long, so she won't melt. But with that being said, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Ashley, shout your IG out if you want.
No, it's okay.
Okay, she said she's scared of y'all, bro. She acting shy. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. We're out. Peace. And so, shut your ass up. I'll be in the block on the main job, sitting on the top now, cause I'm a rider, yeah. Y'all some fiends. I'm about to hop in that bitch, shoes and all. Like rappers do. Ski.